Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the engine oil and oil filter on an Audi TT Mark 1. The first thing to do would be to jack up the vehicle and place an extra stand for safety. In order to open the sump bolt, you will need a 19mm socket and a ratchet. The oil filter is located in front of the engine. You will need an oil filter wrench in order to loosen it. Then afterwards it should come off by hand. Before installing the new oil filter, you should put some lubricant on the rubber seal. After you have installed the oil filter and all the engine oil has come out, you can put the sump bolt back. After that, you can open the filler cap and start putting the engine oil in. After you put the oil in, you should start the engine and run it for a minute. Then switch the engine off and check the engine oil level. If it needs any more, you should top it up. Then after that, you should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.